good, YouTube family? I hope you're doing good, and I hope that you're making profits with your trading. I wanted to update you a little bit before we got into the video, and you watched me flip this account. And if you stick to the end of the video, you're actually going to see me break down how I was finding these trades. And if you want to see more in depth or kind of get a better understanding of how to trade, I just released a course. It's called the Market Mastermind. It literally takes you through everything that I've learned pretty much with trading, and it's going to help you get an understanding. And there's a $100 discount down below. Use that discount code and purchase the course. You'll actually get 6 months access to the Discord community, the private Discord community. You'll get access to all the updates that come with the Market Mastermind, and you'll get access to a 30-day lab, which is a class that I'm doing at the start of March 1st. We're going to be doing it every single day during the week, and on the weekend we'll be doing a recap for the week. And it's literally a 2-hour class live, and we'll be going through everything. And if you can't make the class, all the sessions will be recorded, and they will be added to the Market Mastermind so you can go back and actually view that. It's about 20 hours worth of footage here. There's going to be PDFs in here, and then all the 30-day lab is going to be in there. And there also will be a bonus which will come after the 30-day lab, so you can get a good understanding of everything, and you'll be able to see how I'm taking these 23-second trades way more in depth. You'll be able to see how I can read a chart with just one time frame, and you'll be able to see more in depth, more aggressive trade ideas to help you make more profits. But you have to get past the very first part of it and get the understanding before you really want to dive deep into that. And lastly, the last thing, pocket options, I'm doing a 25% cash back to all my referrals. So all you got to do is sign up down below, make a new pocket options account. If you got one, just delete it, make a new one, and join the private chat, which you have to be a referral in order to join the private chat, and you'll get access to 25% cash back. All the money that I withdraw with my referral program, I'm giving 25% back to the referrals. So you'll get access to 25% of that. So, well, a portion of that 25%. With that, you'll get a private chat, you'll get copy trading, you'll be able to get free trade ideas, and you'll be getting some free content, because I'm going to be releasing just some free content just for that chat, just to give it more value. And it's a free chat, and if you're making profit, you're getting a bonus on top of the money that you've already made, or if you're losing money, you're getting some money back so you can still continue to trade. It's a win-win, and I just wanted to give back. And this is one of the ways that I decided that I'm going to give back, and that's giving 25%. And this is a lifetime. So as long as you're in this referral underneath my affiliate and you're trading, you're going to get a portion of that 25% for life. So eventually when, say, I'm withdrawing maybe 10, 20K, well, that's 25% of that's going straight directly to the referrals. And if there's only maybe 50 or 100 referrals on there, well, that's a good portion. Right now I only have 5. So it's a good odds to make some money, but you got to be an active trader. And with this 30-day lab that I'm doing, there's no way that you shouldn't be seeing profits at the end of the 30-day lab, unless you're being too aggressive. You have very poor risk management, and your discipline is out the ass. I've been there. I've made money. I've lost money just as fast as I made the money. So it's all part of the journey. But if you really want to take it serious, I'm giving you that opportunity. And if you don't want to spend the $150 right now, you can actually literally join the community for $25, and you'll get access to the Market Mastermind on a monthly basis and the 30-day lab, just by doing the $25 a month in the community to join the community. But I'm only having 25 spots available for the 30-day lab from the community, and already 3 of them spots are filled. So you have to get in now if you want it, or you just pay the $150, which the $150 is just a better value because you're getting 6 months into the community versus having to pay monthly basis. You might miss out on all the updates that come out, because the Market Mastermind is going to be getting updated. The PDFs and all that stuff is going to be all updated after the 30-day lab. There'll be extra content that you know, if you're not in there, if you didn't purchase it or you're not in the community, you're gonna miss out on it. So, but I wanted to put that out there just so if you can't afford the $150 right now, you know, you can, you know, pay 25 bucks, see if it's worth it, and then if it is worth it, go ahead and purchase the course. But the discount's only till March 1st as well. So the $100 off is only till March 1st, and that's when the 30-day lab starts. So you got to take action now. And yeah, if you really want to make some profits and really want to get an understanding, or it's pretty much a one-on-one, but a group setting. So all the questions that get asked, I'm going to make sure that I answer them and give the best answer and make sure that you can understand that answer that I'm saying. So I appreciate you again. I thank you. And like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the community. Peace. Push, 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 push. Nice pushes. The trade is never over till the trade closes like that. You need a big push. Drop that bitch. We got our money back. Come on. Wow, that's bogus. Let's get another triple win, baby. I need you to give me a nice push down. There we go. There we go. That was beautiful. That was fucking beautiful. That thing passed. That thing crashed. That thing's passed. It's gonna crash. Damn it. So no visa. No visas. Visa's fucking us. This can save us right here. Let's go Citigroup. Come on, Citigroup. I like that close and open. Come on, Citigroup. Just hold it for 7 seconds, Citigroup. Just hold it, baby. 3, 2, 1. Close that, baby. Let's go. 900. Oh, 876. Okay. No. There could be something right there. That could be something. It's fucking cold in here. This is gonna be the one to break the 1,000. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's get back to that 1,000. Let's get to 2,000. Let's go. We ain't trading Visa. We ain't trading Visa. Nope. Not happening. I'm just scanning, looking for my entry. If I see something that I like, I'll pause, review the market, and I go from there. That's all I'm doing. Fucking cold, dude. We ain't trading Visa. Visa been fucking us. It's really fucking cold. I don't get why. I don't know why this air is blowing so hard. No homo. Pause. Okay. Facebook just going crazy. Expecting a pullback. What's Cisco looking like? We're going up to here. Yes, sir. Nice push. Nice push. Close it out with a nice push. Nice. Okay, FedEx is looking nice. Yep, FedEx is making that break. FedEx is making that break. Let's go to that 30-second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This could be the last trade right here. This could be the last trade right here. Set us at the 2 bands. Yes, sir. We don't count nothing till it's over with, though. We don't count nothing till it's over with, though. Remember that. You can never count the trade till it's over with, because that bitch could fall back. And we at 2 bands. We turn that bitch to 2 bands. We're going to stop trading for today. We well over what we were supposed to fucking trade. I'd actually fucked around with some money earlier. Shouldn't have took a second session, and I did. We got that shit back. We got that shit back. We closed. Let's go. We can bring this into the middle. So that's it. That session. That's a really aggressive. I didn't give a fuck about this little $250. I was more mad because I had did some dumb shit earlier. I shouldn't have did it, and the market had already been moving the way that they had been wanting it. So I did some. I just loaded another 250, or I think it was like 280 or something. Loaded 280 with a 50% bonus, and then yeah, you see what we built it to. Built it to 2000. It originally started to like 280. Let me show you the 281. 281. With a 50% bonus. So you can do the math. It was like 400 or something, 300, I think 400 something. Then it started out at 700 because I had hit 2 trades. You know, we can go to it. We can go over the history real quick. We pull the screen back up. Look at it. It want to get me again. It want to get me again, but it ain't gonna get me again. So you see the trades. Let me bring you here real quick. Go ahead and show you this. You see right here, 36 trades, none yesterday. So 75%. Turnover, trading profit 1600. Max trade 294. Minimum trade $38. Max profit was 270. You see my profitability. I haven't traded this account in a little bit. I take breaks when I have issues. When I fuck up some money, I take breaks, and that's why you see so long of gaps. All right, family, let's break this down real quick. If you want to see a better breakdown, check out the video up here, and it'll be a better breakdown, kind of more in-depth of how I was taking these trades. But I wanted to give you a nice little in-depth of how I was doing it right now. So if you see me, I would flip through here, and what I was looking for mainly is breaks of structure with momentum. Okay, and I'm utilizing the tendency of the market. So this is a tendency of the market. If you can see here how prices made these pullback, this strong pullback, and we're getting that push up. So what I'm looking for is I want momentum on my side when I'm taking this, and I'm utilizing a completion pattern. Now, if you don't know what this is, you can find it in the Market Mastermind, and you can find it in the other videos on my YouTube. I talk about it often. It's a way that I take entries. This is a beautiful trade. I'm actually probably going to take this, and I'm utilizing the 30-second because I can understand what's going on with the 30-second off the momentum. So, and all I'm utilizing is just, I'm taking it to targets that price will more than likely push to and then push off of. And you have to time it. And when you see the idea or the trade that you like, you have to take it quick. As you've seen it pull back and cut me out. It does that often. But it had the momentum. I just hesitated a little bit. And what I would do here is I would wait. I'm probably going to take this again. I'm going to go ahead and take that again. What's that 15-second look like? It's okay if I lose this. This is on the demo, so I'm just kind of just showing you what's going on. Okay, so let me see how you see. On the 30-second, what I seen was that pullback that happened, but price gave me a nice push, so I was expecting momentum to be on my side. But this zone on this 15-second is obviously very strong. Very easy, very hard, not very hard to understand. So now when I get something like this, I'm like, okay, we got momentum switching. That's good. So now what I would do is I would just utilize what's going on, understand it, but I know that I'm at this zone. So I would flip through. I don't got nothing. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm looking for momentum and price of structure. Oh, right here would have been a good trade. It's a good trade, but now it's prone to pull back in this situation. It's prone to pull back. So me taking a 23-second it's very risky. It's going up to here, but it's pretty risky, depending on what price does. Okay, we're gonna take that because price did not pull back hard enough. Okay, so understanding that there's two 15 seconds in this 30-second candle, I'm expecting if price is going to give me that pullback down here to retest, it's going to pull back hard within the first 15 seconds. If it doesn't do that, I'm going to take it because price is going to more than likely push up to here. And what's price doing? Pushing up to there. Right here. It's going to push up to here, and then it's going to fall back. And that's what's going to happen. So I utilize momentum. I'm utilizing momentum. I'm utilizing the tendency of price, understanding what price is doing and watching. Now, I just explained how I literally can utilize the 30-second and see the 15-second inside the 30-second. I can utilize the 1 minute and see the 30-second inside the 1 minute because I understand that there's two candles. And I only took the 23-second trades on 30-second charts because I understood what was going on the 15-second off of the 30-second chart. This is another good one. See how price is slowed down real hard, but now it's getting that strong push. Okay, what I want to see is price. I want this to be a nice close. I want this body to be over all this, and I want this to be a nice close, and I'll take that to have it come down to here. And I'm utilizing it. I'm taking that. How price is pushing hard at the end of the candle, that's good. So I'm expecting this 30-second, the first at least 15 seconds of this candle to give me a nice strong push therefore, if I hit this zone down here, I have my time was timed enough to where I can utilize that and get the win. Like I was short enough to where if it came here and hit, it wouldn't have been strong enough to pull me back. Because the way momentum is pushing, momentum wants to at least come down to the bottom of here before it pulls back. But as you can see, it hit the top. It hit the midline in this structure over here because over here is structure on the lower time frame. When you have doji candles or even average candles, they're lower time frame structure. So on the 5-second, this is going to be structure. But these are very quick trades. You have to be on point. You literally just see me smack two of them in a row. I smacked one at first, but I got closed out because that's what happens. The second one, that was bogus. That was some bullshit, but whatever. It happens. You have to be in control of what's going on and the understanding of what you're seeing. Then that one was a smack. Then that second one was a smack, but it came back and almost clapped me out. You have to be on point. And all I'm utilizing is the momentum of price. I'm utilizing the breaks of all structure. And I'm utilizing that push and just capitalizing on that push to the next area of interest, which is normally where a lot of structure happened, which is right here. And I'm only utilizing the 30-second chart because it's easy to see everything off of the 30-second chart. I can see what's going on the 1 minute, and I can see what's going on the 15-second just off of the 30-second chart, just off of me literally doing it repetitively for months. Literally for an entire year, I only traded 23 seconds. The entire time that I was in my mentors community coaching and doing all that, I wouldn't talk about how I traded. I only talked about the knowledge that I got from him or that he would talk about, because the way that I traded was not how he traded, and it wasn't how he was teaching. So I never talked about it, but it's very easy to do. As you've seen, I didn't have the EMA on there, but you have to be on point. There is no, like, if you're not winning trades more than 70% of the time, you're going to fucking fail. And especially if you're doing it very high risk like I was, you're going to fail. It's just a fact. Like, let me get real with you. Let me talk to you real quick. You have to be disciplined. You have to be very risk managed on what you're doing, and you have to be confident. If you have any lack of confidence in taking that trade, hesitate in any circumstance. It's a lose. You have to be on point. You got to know what you're looking for. Like, taking quick trades like this is good. You can win money fast. Yeah. Like, you see me take 400 to 2,000. Cool. That's great. You see me take that big loss, though. And then I was taking big wins because I was confident in the trade that I was taking, because it's something that I've seen consistently. I see that tendency often. And when you spend your hours in the market, you will see tendencies often, over and over and over and over again. And you just capitalize on the things that you see often and stick to those things. The problem why a lot of traders fail is because they're trying to add a bunch of stuff. They're trying to see everything. They're trying to have all these opportunities. They want to win every single trade. No. Capitalize on what you're seeing, what you can understand, what you see. Capitalize on it. If you're trying to add this and this and this and this and all this together, but you don't even understand what you're seeing, you're not doing yourself any justice, I'm telling you. I'm just being honest with you. The way that you see me trade, I have a plan behind it, but it's a very aggressive trading. I already accepted the fact that this $280, I'm going to just let go. I'm going to flip this account for some content, and that's it. To prove that you can do it, but the way that they show you to do it on YouTube, like all these, other traders that are showing you all these other strategies, and they're just showing you strategies and these, bullshit-ass ideas, you're going to fail. If you're trying to flip the account and trade the whole amount every single time, you're going to fail, because you, first of all, you barely understand what you're doing. So you're not going to smack 100% of trades. You have to be 100%. Well, the way that I do it, I don't have to be 100%. I just have to accept the fact that if I take this big loss of 4 entries, I'm bucked. I'm square one. And that's fine. I'm aggressively doing this just for content. That's not how I consistently trade. But I can trade like that. That's how I made lots of profits. But it's not smart if you don't have control of what you're doing and you don't understand what you're doing. But, I hope that you could kind of get an idea of how I'm taking these trades. There is obviously a breakdown. I showed you the video. You can check it out. It'll be at the end of the video. And you can literally go just check it out and see a better idea. And then with the Market Mastermind, I'm going to give you way more in depth of how I'm viewing this, how you can utilize this if you would like to utilize it, why you would utilize it, how you can make money on it, and how I would compound specific ways. Because when I would build accounts or flip accounts, I would compound it in a specific way, and the way that I would compound it is how I would be able to make the money. But the issue a lot of times with me was I knew that if I was too aggressive and I got to a specific point, if I fell back to a specific point, I'm going to lose all emotions and it's going to be game over from there, because I knew that there was a point that was the no return point, and you have to know when that point is so you don't hit that point. If you're blowing accounts, you have a point of no return, and you need to understand when that point is. I have plenty of journal entries of me trying to flip accounts and do content where I hit that point, and you'll see me take 100 trades, 200 trades in a day, and I'll take, instead of 4 entries, it'd be 5. It'd be 10, 20 entries at once, like just happen. And hope, pray. I'm just flipping an account. That's gambling. It's purely gambling. I have an idea. I understand what I'm looking at, but I'm purely gambling my money because I think that I have an edge on the market, when I, in all reality, just had good ideas and an understanding of what I was looking at, and I would capitalize on it. It was purely gambling, though. The plan really wasn't much of a plan if I already knew that when I hit a specific point, it's going to be a no return. It's no return policy. Like, I'm finna just take this bitch down to the ground with me. So it's not smart to flip counts. It's not smart to be super aggressive if you have no control of what you're doing or have no plan in it, because there is points for every trader that you'll come to a point where you hit that point and it's a no return. literally a no return. If you don't make it back past that point, then you're gonna more than likely just blow that account. That's super aggressive. That's gambling. That's what a lot of you are probably doing that are blowing accounts. I specifically don't, kind of really teach this content or show this content because it's not smart. But, a lot of traders want to see quick wins and quick strategies, and they like to see, I'm building my YouTube, so I might as well join the games because I'm doing it for real. I make money for real with it. Unlike a lot of the people that you see doing it, watch them. They're not taking the trades as they're explaining it, Watch them. Watch them. Just pay attention to what they're doing. Look at the camera. Look at the webcam when they're doing it. Like, look at them while they're doing it, while the trades are being taken. Their hands aren't even moving. How are they taking the trades? They're not taking the trades. They're not. Come on. Be realistic. A lot of you can't handle the pressure that I put on myself when it comes to trading. You don't have to put that pressure on you. You don't have to be aggressive the way that I traded. You don't have to be like that. If you can get that understanding, you could take 5 trades a day. This was me being very aggressive, trying just to flip an account for content. So it's not that fun because it adds lots of stress, lots of pressure. A lot of the times you're probably using money that you're not supposed to be using. As you heard me say, this money is not it's not affecting my budget, not affecting my trading money, not affecting anything that I'm doing. It is purely for entertainment. Just, for content. And I know some people want to understand how I was doing that more in depth. So I'm going to add that to the end of the course. So then you have a 30-day lab with me. You can get an understanding of how I'm viewing the markets, how to view the markets, get an understanding of what you're looking at. And then you can, if you want to dabble in a 23-second strategy, you can dabble in it, You'll have that knowledge and understanding of what you're looking at. That's the goal and purpose of it. But it's not something that I just want to dump out there. Like, hey, utilize this. You can make money. Yeah, you can make money with this very quickly. You see me make money very quickly, but you can lose money very quickly. Imagine if I would have lost them 4 trade entries. That took me all the way back to where I started. That one took me back under where I started. Was 250. If I lost that, I would have been at 250 a balance. So you could see it moves very quickly. So you have to be on point. But with that, I appreciate you. I hope that you could gain value from this. I hope that you understand that it's possible that I've withdrawn multiple dollars from Pocket Options doing that. Never had an issue, never ran into problems. Even when I stacked trades like that, never had an issue, never ran into problems. It would just take a little bit longer, but 3 days and they would get it to me. And that's their policy, 3 days and they'll get it to you, period. Sometimes it takes longer, a little bit longer, but not normally, not normally. So, yeah, that's it. I hope that you can gain value from that, and I hope to see you in the community, and I hope that you can get the market mastermind and get a good understanding and start making profits. I hope that you can trade less and make more profits. That's the goal, So hashtag in the comments if you made it to the end. I want you to put less trades, more profits. That's the slogan of the market mastermind. Less trades, more profits. That's the goal. That's the goal. So I appreciate you. I thank you again. And remember, don't try to do this dumb shit. It's possible when you have a good understanding. You're pretty advanced at trading. You made some profits. You got a good then you can dabble in some flipping accounts and stuff. But let's get the understanding, compound that little money up. Yeah, I talk about the compounding in the market mastermind, how important it is to compound. If a lot of you are trading with small capital, you can compound it very quickly. But you have to be a good trader, and you have to be very disciplined. A lot of people can't be disciplined, and when you're trading large amounts of money or small amounts of money, you're trying to trade large like trades, which is way more than what you should be trading. I was trading 17% on them trades. That's a large amount. It's a high leverage trade, especially when I only had like $400 in there. Now it's the same as taking a 17% trade at $2,000. It's the same, but the money is way higher. I'm probably losing like $200 something at a $2,000 trade versus losing $70 at 450 or whatever. I don't remember what I was at, but I appreciate you. I thank y'all. I hope that you could gain value. I hope to see you in the community. Peace.